नमस्कार मित्रांनो, आज आपण फार्मास्युटिक्सवरती प्रॅक्टिस क्वेश्चन घेऊ. फार्मास्युटिक्समधले डोसेस फॉर्म, रूट ऑफ ॲडमिनिस्ट्रेशन, प्रिस्क्रिप्शन, हँडलिंग या टॉपिकवरती घेऊन आहोत. क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग इज अ सॉलिड डोसेस फॉर्म? आन्सर बी, टॅबलेट. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, विच डोसेस फॉर्म इज डिझाईन फॉर इन्सरेशन इनटू रेक्टम? आन्सर बी, सपोजिटरी. Question number 3, syrup is mainly used for? Answer B, oral administration. Question number 4, which of these a semi-solid dosage form? Answer C, ointment. Question number 5, capsules are made of? Answer B, gelatin. Question number 6, aerosol are administered by? Answer C, inhalation. Question number 7, which dosage form is used for eye drop? Answer C, ophthalmic solution. Question number 8, which is a parenteral dosage form? Answer B, injection. Question number 9, a emulsion is a? Answer B, liquid dosage form. Question number 10, which of the following is a topical preparation? Answer B, ointment. Question number 11, which one is a gaseous dosage form? Answer A, aerosol. Question number 12, which is a differentiable solid dosage form? Answer A, effervescent tablet. Question number 13, which dosage form is meant for external use only? Answer A, ointment. Question number 14, which dosage form is applied on gum? Answer A, pastes. Question number 15, which dosage form is administered through the nose? Answer A, nasal drops. Question number 16, which is liquid dosage form or for oral use? Answer B, syrup. Question number 17, an elixir contain? Answer A, alcohol. Question number 18, ear drops are also called? Answer A, otic drops. Question number 19, which is a sterile preparation for injection? Answer B, parenteral solution. Question number 20, suppositories can be administered through? Answer A, rectal route. Question number 21, the fastest route of drug administration is? Answer B, intravenous. Question number 22, which route is used for slow sustained release? Answer B, transdermal. Question number 23, which route bypasses the digestive system? Answer parenteral. Question number 24, which route is commonly used for unconscious patient? Answer A, intravenous. Question number 25, which is local route of drug administration? Answer topical. Question number 26, which route is used for inhaled? Answer A, inhalation. Question number 27, which injection is given under the skin? Subcutaneous. Answer 28. Which injection is given directly into the vein? Answer B, intravenous. Question number 29, eye drops are administered through? Answer B, ophthalmic route. Question number 30, drugs for systematic effect with the mouth are given by? Answer A, oral route. Question number 31, which injection is preferred for quick absorption? Answer intravenous. Question number 32, which is an example of mucosal root? Answer A. Sublingual. Question number 33. Which of these a systematic root? Answer B. Oral. Question number 34. Which root provide both local and systematic effect? Answer A. Rectal. Question number 35. Which root is useful for patient with vomiting? Answer C. Rectal. Question number 36. Transdermal root involved. Answer B. Skin patches. Question number 37. Which root involves administration into muscle? Answer A. Intramuscular. Question number 38. Which is an example of enteral root? Answer B. Oral. Question number 39. Which root allow direct absorption into bloodstream via tongue? Answer sublingual. Question number 40. Which of these not a parental root? Answer sublingual. Question number 41. What is the prescription? Answer a doctor legal order medicine. A. Question number 42. The RX symbol means? Answer A. Take two. Question number 43. Which is essential in a prescription? Answer A. Patient name. Question number 44. The superscription included? Answer A. Data and RX symbol. Date and RX symbol. Question number 45. Which part of prescription lists in medicine name and dose? Answer A. Inscription. Question number 46. Which part given instructions to the pharmacist? Answer A. Subscription. Question number 47. Direction into the patient are in? Answer A. Signature. Question number 48. The abbreviation BID means? Answer A. Twice a day. Question number 49. The abbreviation PO means? Answer A. By mouth. Question number 50. The abbreviation Q.ID means? Answer A. 4 times a day. Thank you for watching.